Welcome to the show, everyone. Diving right into those secret hacks for turning your Amazon FBA journey from zero to profit. From scratch.
I'm all ears. What's the first game changer we got here?
So, right off, it's about using Amazon's free product research tool. I mean, think about it. Using the Jungle Scout Chrome extension to spot untapped niches like, say, eco-friendly kitchen gadgets is a genius move to start with.
Really smart. Yep, that sounds super promising. And what about sourcing? Any cool hacks there?
Oh, absolutely. Instead of sinking cash up front, you negotiate with Alibaba suppliers for small trial orders. Essentially, you only pay once Amazon approves your listing. It's like, you're testing the waters without a deep dive,
Right.
which seriously lowers the risk.
That's clever. Sort of a low-cost entry barrier. But what about making your listing irresistible?
Right, so listing magic comes next. Use free Canva templates for professional-looking images, then pack in 5 to 7 long-tail keywords in the title. I mean, it's like, you're building a billboard that speaks to your audience. Simple, yet
Yep,
effective.
got it? Gotcha. Sourcing visuals and keywords, check. Now, any tricks for snatching that first sale?
Definitely. One neat hack is offering a $1 discount via Amazon Vine for those early reviewers. It bumps up your visibility without draining your wallet.
Sweet. Boosting reviews from the get-go really sets a strong foundation. What do we do with advertising? Any insights on that front?
Yes, indeed. For Amazon PPC, start with a $5 per day budget on exact match keywords. It's a controlled way to see which keywords pull their weight before you scale anything up, keeping
sense.
costs lean and mean.
And what about, say, shipping? Any hacks to reduce those costs?
Oh, for sure. Engage with Amazon's FBA Small and Light program, which can cut fees by up to 40% on low-priced items. That simple shift saves you a lot in shipping overhead.
Interesting, but I'm a bit skeptical. Are these free tools like Inventory Labs Trial or Helium 10's free X-ray really that reliable for tracking inventory and spying on competitors?
Good point. While they're not flawless, using these tools gives you a pretty good ballpark. It's like using a compass when you're navigating new terrain. You still need to double check with a map.
Yeah, exactly.
So a bit of extra diligence goes a long way.
Fair enough. Attention to detail is key. Any final pro tips in your suite?
Sure thing. Consider micro-influencer partnerships on Instagram, like $20 shoutouts. They drive organic traffic. Also, toss in a limited time bundle deal for repeat buyers and automate pricing with Repricer Express's free plan so your products stay competitive 24/7.
Wow, that's like a Swiss Army knife of Amazon hacks. Each tool covering a different aspect of the game.
Exactly. And the beauty is reinvesting 30% of your profits into your top performing SKUs to compound your growth. Plus, joining Amazon's Seller Central Beta can get you early access to AI-driven inventory forecasts for 2025.
That really ties everything together. Innovation, cost saving, and proactive scaling. Incredible stuff.
Right on. So folks, take these secret hacks and shift your Amazon FBA journey from zero to hero. Catch you on the next episode.
Absolutely. Thanks for the insights and see you next time.